Valentino who? Cause baby, it's all about Oceane now, honey. Listen, $34 and you are looking like money. Up everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. It's Mika Lynn and here we are, another quick video, hopefully a winner of a video. So big thank you to Outre for sending out this unit, definitely appreciate it. Before we get into this review, definitely subscribe to the channel, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Of course, drop me a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, definitely lets me know that you like the content. No quick check-in today, same old with you know, the skincare. I'm really, I don't know y'all. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this, baby. And listen, I think y'all might like this color. Baby, I know you see that peekaboo blonde, baby. This is one of their most basic wigs. You do have two combs in the front, bam bam bam, one in the back, pow pow, with adjustable straps, no elastic band or anything like that. This is going to be more of a beginner friendly unit, so you're not going to have like that pre-pluckation, that scalpation that we love. It does have a basic hairline with a little bit of lace attached in the front. Hello. And you do have that eye part in the middle, which looks really good. First impression, looking at the texture. Okay, Outre. Okay. Only thing I'm gonna do is pluck this amount of hair out. This is the amount that I took out. It's not a lot. And I'm gonna start from the back, take a couple in my hand, coil it around my finger, and pull. Now you do want to check and make sure you are not Moses and parting the Red Sea, okay? Okay, so y'all might hear my fan. It is what it is. It's a little stuffy in here, okay? It's a little hot. Temp is high. Before we get into this installation, I'm really contemplating whether or not I'm going to use some lace tint spray on this. Don't know if it's really needed. But I'd rather err on the safe side, so I think I'm going to go in with the even lace tint spray. You guys have seen it. It's a staple. Check the Amazon storefront down below. It'll have everything that I use on this channel, baby. It's laid out for you, okay? So I am gonna go ahead and just apply it a little bit, especially in the part. This is already giving me a vibe. I'm wondering if y'all could figure out what this is a dupe for. So my lights are actually a little bright right now. I may turn my lights in a little bit. It is giving me a little bit of a luster, a little bit of a shine. Okay, now you can go through with some dry shampoo to dull that out, but in person this looks really good. I actually prefer my units to look dull, and this is giving me that natural kind of healthy type of look. I hope that makes sense. I don't know if I'm going to use leave out. I'm a little baldy locks when it comes to the edges. Been that way since birth. So it is what it is. If we have to pull some out, then we'll just go ahead and do it. So hopefully you guys will know the dupe when I plop her on my head, baby. So we are gonna kick it up a notch, and I think I am gonna use a little bit of leave out. Hopefully I can just pull out some of my hair. We're gonna blend that in. See? Maybe I am gonna go in with just a little bit of the olive oil gel Yeah, okay. So I'm using the olive oil wig grip gel. Yes, can look busted as hell. Sorry, we use products around here. So I'm just gonna apply this. Nothing drastic, like I said. I'm gonna keep it nice and simple. Maybe just a couple of swoops. I'm going to use what I hope you have in your arsenal. I've said this before. This is just some run-of-the-mill mascara from Dollar General. I don't have a lot of edges over here, so I'm just going to color it in just to fill in those gaps. Now, a little bit of the white lace is showing right here. So, I'm going to go in with the mascara and I'm just going to color that in.
If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Starting at $34.94. And I even see one site that's offering it for $29. Specialty colors are going to be more. Listen, $34 and you are looking like money. This is in the color DRFF Honey Chestnut. This is an HD transparent lace unit. Heat safe up to 400 degrees in 24 inches. If it is not already sold out, honey, this color will sell out because this is so brown girl friendly. You know, it's not too yellow, it's not too white, it's not too like in your face. I think the color matches the layers perfectly. Cap fit on here is very snug, very form-fitting to my head, but it is also comfortable. I did take out some of the baby hairs, kind of pull them down, and it gives you a really natural look. Now, I am getting some shedding, which I'm usually okay with because I cut close to the hairline. This go around, like every time I go into the unit, I'm pulling out like 1 or 2 hairs. So, you know, give or take. Is it gonna bald on you? No. This is why I love synthetic units, simply because of the density. If you get a human hair unit at 150% density, it's going to give you a very natural look, but sometimes it can come off thin because they style them, because they layer them, because of the texture, baby. You are getting a bang for your buck because this is not 180. I can tell you that right now. This is going to be more of 150% density, but in my opinion, it looks way thicker than any human hair at 150% density. I said what I said. Baby, I don't even know what else to say, but just cop her and cop her now. So if you want to check out the information for Oceane, definitely hit up the description box down below. Big thank you to Outre for sending her out, baby. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely hit the subscribe button before you go. Share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Drop your girl a comment down below. Most importantly, keep loving on yourself. Keep yourself first, ladies, and keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
I know it's all good.